Uh-huh. Now I working something, so I want to show you. Yes. Now I have something I want to show you. Daniel. Yes. Maasai. Yes. From Tanzania. Yes, Ngorongoro. Yes, I come from Ngorongoro. Yes, I come here for work. I have 1 month. 1 month here. Yes, I've been here for 1 month. So I think to when a Christmas coming, I go to home for my family, share Christmas for family. Yes, yes, yes. I want to little money. Yes, I want to little money. I want to Tanzania money. I want to Tanzania dollar. I want to little money. Yes, yes, I want to buy something home. I want to buy cow. Yes, I want to buy cow. I want to buy house. Yes, yes. Oh, I think it's 20 million. Million. Yes, million. Yes, shilling. I think to 500,000. Small one. Small one. It's big. It's I think to 3 million. Yes, 3 million. It's a small one. 500,000. Yes. But when Maasai, when you have a little cow, you are boss. When you don't have, you are not boss. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, I need a little cow, like so many. Yes, I want to so many cow. So when I have so many cow, finish Zanzibar. Yes, when I don't have money, I sell one. Yes, I have one sister. Yes, only one sister. What? Me? No, 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 no. Next time. Yes, next time. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Pay to 50 cow. When you want to marry girl, you pay to 50 cow, 10 and 5. 10, 5. Like this. Yes. What? Yes, another 5. Yes. Yes. When you go to bring to wife home. Yes. You go to take it for car. Yes. You go to bring for car. You are home. Yes, yes. For car. So when you bring your home, uh, uh, to do to cow, you killing to cow, big cow. Lot of Maasai to eat to something, so to share for dancing for Maasai jamming, so it's good. Yes. Here, I think I want to from Tanzania. No, I don't want to from Tanzania. I have, but not from here. Europe. Yes, Europe. Not from here. Yes. Yes, yes, I like. So now, this girl, she want to arrive to here, Zanzibar. When it's arrive to here, to go Kilimanjaro, you want to go see to my family. Yes, yes. Yes, from you. Yes, I don't know Europe, but I have picture. It's Europe. I have country. Yeah. From Europe. In the beach, never go to school. I'm not go to school. I'm learn English in the beach. Yes, yes, yeah. Yes. It's Poland, I learn to hear language. Yes, 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 very well. Never school, not school. School only here in the beach. Yes, school only here. Yes, yes, I can go here. Yes, yes, yes. Maasai, Maasai. Yes, all family Maasai. Yes, origin Maasai. I'm not fake. Yes, origin Maasai from Tanzania. Yeah. So when you want to, I show you house. Yes, from my family. Different Tanzania, but she have a different Maasai. But Maasai not like village like this. So Maasai, she living to Anasa bush. Of Maasai, she living Anasa bush, not like like this, not like same. Yes, she living Jambiani, but it's not village. It's not village. Um, you see to Maasai one, she stay to here. So Anasa one, she stay a little bit far, a little bit. So not like village, like Swahili. Yes, not like village, not like same. But it's not light. It's no. Yes, only cow. Yes, 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 yes. But Maasai sometimes she want to killing to lion. When you want to marry, so you go to killing lion. When you killing to lion, you go to marry. You are big man. Yes, yes. Yes, you're strong. Yes. Sometimes Maasai she stay to in the bush 1 month. She killing to cow. She stay in the bush. She eat to cow. Yes. When I stay to 1 month, when you see, it's strong. Yes, it's big one, man. Yes. Sometimes they drink to black from cow. Yes. Yes, milk from the cow. Milk and something to calling to ugali. Yes, something calling to ugali. Yes, but some from Tanzania. It's from Tanzania. It's not Europe. Yes. Yes, yes, I eat. I eat cow. Yes, I like cow. I like eat. Yes. No, no chicken. Chicken, no. Only cow. Yes, only cow. It's good. Goat is good. Yes, it's good. Pork, no, no. Yes, it's married. Yes. You have two children. Yes, two. Yes, yes. She have a husband from Maasai. She take. She bring you home. Yes, she go to marry. My papa she go to bring cow. She stay in the bush. Uh, now I think to but sometime as as family she want money she selling one. Yes, I have to 20. Yes, 20 cow. Yes, many cow. Yes, I want more. I want 1,000,000 cow. I want 1,000,000 cow. Maasai is I think to it's many cow. It's many cow. Yes. I think to like this. It's boss. Yes. Mia. Yes, 100. It's boss, Tanzania. Yes. 100. Yes, 100. Yes, yes. I want to show us. So I show you. Yes, from Gorongoro. Yes, from Gorongoro, Tanzania. Family. You see? Market. Yes, open market. So I want to selling all. After here, I go to home. I want more. What? Anachukua video. What? One I think to shingapi? $5. It's one. A small one. This is one. When you take two, $50. When you take two. This is one is calling tungilingili. It's $5. Yes. So when you want to this. Yes. You want to take. Mchenzi huyu. Focus ya uchenzi hawa. I say. Yes, 100 not. Shingapi niko. Yes. Sometime no selling, sometime I selling. I selling $20, I selling 10,000. Sometime not selling, sometime I selling. I make one day.
Kwa mambo hakika ambayo unafunga ni yani hakika ni unapata kwa siku hiyo moja. Ni pesa gani ni kwa siku ni hakika ni kiuzo umeuza?
Yani sijui kwa I think to kwa siku moja.
20 mwambie
I think 20,000. Yes, 20,000 for one day. Yes, for one day. Yes, and the less nothing. Sometimes nothing, like 2 days, and the 3 days I sell it. Yes. Mamake. Yani kanifungia kamba. Si unaona kamba?
Wanakutangalia biashara.
Ah.